The Savannah cat is a cross between a domestic cat and a wild serval. These elegant felines have the serval's long legs and spotted coat, making them look more like a wild animal than a house pet. Despite their exotic appearance, Savannah cats are loyal and affectionate, often forming strong bonds with their owners. They're also highly active and intelligent, which means they'll keep you on your toes. If you've ever wanted a house cat with a wild side, the Savannah cat might be the thing for you. See more about weird hybrids in the full video on my channel.